name is Zoe Bella Batansi. I'm Mr. Jerby 92, and today we're going to be reacting to Disney Pixar's For the Birds. Wow, For the Birds, it was my favorite cartoon. It's on number 7 on the charts. Copyright 2000, and it's on 2001. Who knew? And if you hear something really normal, you hear something very normal in this. Hold on a sec. Aha! There it is. Oh, it's a student film. When I was 18 years old, I liked to watch it. I watched For the Birds in speech, and I watched Lifted in speech. Aww. That's so cute. I wonder what they're saying. I wonder what they're chirping. They're chirping like squeaky toys. I wonder how they did. I don't know. What was that? This guy is awesome. I love this guy. He's a cuckoo. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Whoa, see? Yeah, he's a cuckoo head. Yeah, he has a cuckoo head. He's making me laugh. He's a funny clown. Anyway, yeah. I don't know what you're doing with this big guy. Be careful. He's here. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Come on! Ah, that's so nice! Whoa! Oh! That's gonna leave a mark. Oh, they got a good idea. They got it! Now the birds are gonna give it a shot! They're getting close! We're getting close! Two more toes left! One more toe left! And zero! There's something with the trouble! Here we go! Come on! Give it a shot! Come on! Stop picking! Stop picking! There's one toe ready to take off! Bang! Feathers around the funny guy. Oh, that's a good split. Oh, that was so cute. Oh, they're so naked. Oh, he's naked. I wish I could crack myself up. Anyway, that's For the Birds. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Stay tuned for Pixar reaction.